Hey guys, Ross here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So good morning, and today I'm going to prepare some croissant with avocado, tomato, cream cheese, and my favorite strawberry jam. I love this breakfast combination, one savory, one sweet, and it's very easy to prepare. You can simply prepare it within 15 minutes. Yes. Oops. And there you go, my breakfast is ready. I'm serving it with coffee. And it's time to prepare for lunch. And today I'm going to prepare some poke bowls, veggie poke bowl. You can see we have avocado, mushroom, peppers, cucumber, tomato, and also I'm adding in some broccoli. Yeah, so I think you can add in like whatever kind of vegetables you like, or like you can even add some tuna, salmons. Yeah, it's really up to you and you can be creative with it. I'm seasoning it with some Japanese spicy powder. I love it. And for dinner, sometimes I'll prepare smoothie, like my favorite smoothie combinations. Yeah, with the recipe, adding like some spinach, banana, blueberries, protein powder, and oats. I can prepare it in less than 10 minutes. Yeah, it's a very good meal replacement. And here comes my favorite snacks. Yeah, it's guacamole with some chips. Yeah, I really love it. These days I'm really crazy about it. And it's really easy to prepare. Yeah, you just need to season it with some salt, pepper, and lemon. And there you go. You can prepare it in less than 10 minutes. That's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys love this video and please subscribe to my channel. See ya!